Blessings, love. And we honor the divine last day of the Cancerian lunar cycle, dark moon phase, the phase of the lunar cycle preceding the new moon activation. So we revisit the sign of Cancer. We visit the intention that we seeded one lunar month ago, when the sun and the moon met the same degree of the sign of Cancer to begin the new lunar cycle. So the new moon in Leo is tomorrow, when the sun and the moon will meet in Leo. The moon is in Cancer, the sun is in Leo. There's this beautiful revisiting of our intentional living, the practice of maintaining our human composure amidst madness, chaos, and eons of discordance. We are in Leo solar season, and the Leo lunar cycle begins shortly thereafter. And we meet this place within our own heart. Who am I? How did I get here, and what is my purpose for this existence, and this pain, and this story, and this curiosity, and this desire to bring forth new light into this world? I am the Son of God within me, the S-U-N, rebirth from the darkness, remembered. There are some things that are free, that can transform your life. Taking the time to spend time in nature, seeking the light, seeking connection to the light, the sunlight, the reflection in the moonlight. The new moon activation is on the rise, and the alignment of Leo, our own sun, Sirius, the great central sun, spiritual sun of our own heart and soul. The Lionsgate portal awakens within your heart, your sacred heart, beyond your own disconnection from your human beingness. Come out of the mind and into the heart. You are safe in this moment. No matter how much darkness is around you, this moment you are safe here. Ritual and ceremony belong to us always. We're always participating in some sort of ritual, some sort of ceremony, some sort of self-evasion or self-nourishment and self-compassion. A choice. We don't always have choices. Sometimes we feel so powerless, as if our life doesn't even belong to our own self. Insane circumstance after circumstance, completely out of my own control, that happened, or are happening, or are going to happen. How do you cope with the insanity without numbing out? And we come back to ceremony and ritual and honoring our own self and nourishing our own self in spite of outer chaos.